In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste into FigJam. If you're new to FigJam, it's Figma's collaborative whiteboard where you can brainstorm, plan, and organize ideas with text, images, and simple shapes. We'll keep this simple and make sure you know exactly how to get content onto your board quickly and reliably. Start by opening your browser and going to figma.com. Sign into your account so you can access your files. From the dashboard, choose FigJam, then open a new board or pick one of your recent boards if you already have something in progress. Once your board is open, you're ready to paste. Pasting into FigJam works just like most apps. First, copy whatever you need from another application. This could be text from a document, a shape from a design tool, or an image from a presentation. Then switch back to your FigJam board and paste it using Ctrl+V on Windows or CMD+V on a Mac. That's all there is to it. FigJam will place the content directly on the canvas where your cursor is. If you don't see it right away, zoom out a little to make sure it didn't land just off screen. After pasting, you can adjust things to fit your layout. Drag the corners to resize images or nudge text into place. If you want cleaner alignment, position elements so the smart guides appear and help you line things up. This isn't required, but it can make your board easier to read. If you're moving content from Figma into FigJam, the process is exactly the same. In Figma, select the object you want. This could be a frame, a shape, or a block of text. Copy it, then switch to your FigJam board and paste using the same shortcuts. Most items carry over smoothly so you can reference designs while you brainstorm without exporting files or dealing with extra steps. For images you find on the web, right-click the image and choose Copy Image, not Copy Image Address. Copying the image address only gives you a link, while Copy Image puts the actual picture on your clipboard. Then go back to your FigJam board and paste. If an image doesn't paste, it may be due to site restrictions. Try another source or ensure the image is fully loaded before copying. That's all you need to start pasting content into FigJam quickly and confidently. Open your board, copy from your source, and paste with Ctrl+V or CMD+V. With these basics, you can build out your ideas fast and keep everything in one collaborative place.